So this is how we measure current using a multimeter. As you can see, this is a 12 volt 7 amp hour lead acid battery. So I've connected the negative probe to the positive terminal, because you have to connect the load in series with the multimeter in order for it to measure current, while in voltage we connect in parallel with the power source. As you can see, our load is just a normal battery level indicator, and then on the multimeter here you can see I had to move the positive probe from the fuse socket to the unfused socket. This will help prevent you from blowing the fuse if the load you are going to draw will be approximately 10 amps. As you can see, the multimeter is on 10 amps.